Good afternoon, Andy Farmer with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach here, doing a video walkthrough of a 33 Silverton convertible, year model 2007. Do a quick walk around here. It's got some racks on the port side for kayak. You can see AC pump working well here. Visor for sun on the windshield. Camper canvas is in great shape. You can see Garmin radar dome up there. Nice swim platform on the back. This is a lot of boat in 33 feet. You've got two staterooms, single head. As you'll see when we get inside, though, it's a big 33 footer. You got nice fender storage on the bow. This gel coat has a good shine to it. Was just detailed not long ago. Again, Silverton 33 convertible. It's got 5 rod holders in the cockpit. The hatch opens up there to in-deck fish box or storage. Nice swim platform. Molded in stairs for going up to the bridge. Step aboard and take a look around. Twin 30 amp service. Let's go up to the flybridge first. Again, molded stairs. He does have carpet for the stairs and this bridge area. Got nice Garmin electronics. GPS chart plotter there. RayMarine Tri-data for speed and depth. And also have a Garmin autopilot. RayMarine VHF radio. Single lever controls, 6-liter Crusaders with about 360 hours. Upholstery's in good shape up here, guys. Canvas is in great shape as well. To the aft on the bridge, you've got a double helm seat, and then you've also got this nice bench seat up here. Give you a shot of the stairs. Heading down back to the cockpit, looking back the other way. Let's take a look in the salon. Flat screen TV that's permanently mounted there. It's overcast and sunshades up. Hope the video turns out okay. Got this couch on the starboard side, table and kind of a bank out on the port side, carpet runners down. Your galley's up in this boat, so you've got pretty good size salon, galley, microwave oven. Heading downstairs, you've got the master TV in here, your berth over to the starboard side, a couple steps up to get in, carpet runners here, carpet's in good shape. That's the Silverton bag, and it's hard to tell in this video, I can't really get a good shot, but you do have a very good size hanging locker. You could either put another rack in there and hang 2 sets of clothes, I believe. You've got heating and air controls up here in the master. Coming back to aft, you've got your stairs heading up. Here's your head. Slow down a little bit and show you the flooring. Vanity, mirror, electric head. And then directly across the companionway, we've got the the second stateroom. Got a double berth here, lighting underneath, and another good sized closet. Hard to see with this lighting in here today with the overcast, but guys, this is a nice boat. It has been well cared for, and it shows. Owner's making a boating lifestyle change, just moving to a different style boat. You can tell he really cares for this one and has done a good job keeping it up. Again, scrolling through the salon here one more time, and we're going to finish it up with a quick call us at MarineMax 2007 33 Silverton. We just listed it. 360 hours on the mains. Boat does have a generator, freshwater cooled 6.0 Crusaders. Andy Farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach. Give us a call, 910-264-4818. Thanks.